So I have a few time-lapse videos up on my YouTube channel that shows me drawing numberism pieces sped up over time, and I just thought I'd show you what numberism looks like in real time and how long that takes. I think I'm going to have to use my magnifying glass, on this so that you can see the numbers. So this is numberism in real time. I'm drawing with the numbers of the clock, 1 through 12. So this is a scratchboard etching. I'm using an X-Acto blade to etch the numbers, and when I'm done etching it, I go back in and stain the revealed clay with ink. It's a little bit difficult holding this camera and drawing at the same time, so a little bit concerned about my gradient, but it seems to be working out okay. Drawing with formulas is a lot more difficult than drawing with numbers or letters. These numbers all sort of take up a similar amount of space, and so making a gradient is easier because there's a consistency based on the size of the numbers and how close they are. For instance, like these numbers are pretty evenly spaced out. That's actually kind of a darker region. But if I were to, let's say, make a nice highlight, over here seems good. I think it should get a little bit brighter here. So I'm going to bring the numbers, make them a little bit smaller. Maybe you can see it. We'll find out. And it's brighter here because those numbers are smaller and closer together. The trouble with a formula is you have these unruly shapes to work with, deltas and square roots and things like this, and it can get difficult to make it a consistent pattern. But anyway, I'm rambling because I'm drawing. So that's real-time numberism. Just takes a while. This is an 8 by 10, I believe. Okay. I'm gonna have to get to work now with this without the camera. But you can see the work as well as my camera will let you. So, thanks for watching. This one will be a pocket watch when I'm done. It's having a really hard time focusing. I'm going to have this at the auction. I'm not certain whether or not it's going to be finished. You can still bid on it or just look at it and see the progress. So this is all 1 through 12, drawn with an X-Acto blade on scratchboard. And yep, that's that. That's real-time numberism.